In this video, we're going to be looking at the rear foot elevated split squat, or RFESS. It's also referred to as a Bulgarian split squat, however, it was never used in the infamous Bulgarian method. When performing this split squat, we can do it from a higher elevation or a lower elevation, such as a plate, so anywhere from 3 to 6 inches up to around knee height. So the benefit of performing it from a lower elevation is that there's a little bit more stability and therefore you can lift heavier loads. Place my foot on the plate, striding forwards. Just like the lunge, we don't want to be too far forwards as there's excessive stretch in the rear hip flexor. If we're not far enough forwards, we can't get the depth, the knee's going to come too far forwards. Therefore, nice long stride, but not too long. From there, driving down, knee just off the floor, before extending fully at the top. We'll often see it more on a bench, and for this, we can be on the toes curled round, or on the dorsal side of the foot, so the lacy part of the trainer. Same again, hopping forwards, or stand in the optimal position, bring the leg back. From there, dropping the knee down, feel the stretch through the rear leg, and coming up again. Making sure you've got that optimal position where the knee's not tracking too far forwards and there's not excessive stretch through the rear leg. We also need to make sure that we don't hold on to the leg as it deloads the movement massively. We can have dumbbells to the front, even a goblet squat position, or the barbell on the back. Either variation is absolutely fine to really hit the legs hard.